Welcome back to the Review Scout, where we dive into the latest digital tools that help everyday people build real income streams from the comfort of home. Today, I'm excited to share something truly game-changing, a tool called ViralReelAI. If you've ever dreamed of growing a big social media following, earning passive income, or creating content without having to show your face or speak on camera, then stick with me. This could be the solution you've been searching for. ViralReelAI is built for modern creators who want to stay anonymous while building a powerful presence on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The best part, it only takes a single keyword to get started. Just plug in what you want to target, and the AI gets to work creating reels, quote videos, memes, stories, and more, all formatted for maximum impact. You don't need design skills, you don't need video editing experience, and you don't need to spend hours trying to keep up with trends. This tool is doing all the hard work behind the scenes. It uses powerful AI to brainstorm, build voice, and even post content for you, while you focus on growing your audience or selling your offers. Real people are already experiencing incredible success with this. One creator built up 13,000 followers in just 2 months and now makes $4,000 a month just from selling digital products. Another creator saw a single video bring in over $1,200 in revenue. These aren't celebrities or influencers. They're regular folks using ViralReelAI to grow faceless accounts. Let's break down what you're really getting when you grab access to ViralReelAI. First off, you get commercial rights. That means you're free to create videos not just for your own brand, but also for other businesses. You can sell video creation services, automation packages, or social media management, and keep 100% of the profit. It's a built-in business opportunity right from the start. You can create a wide range of content in minutes. Want to make a viral reel that stands out? Or maybe an inspirational quote video? You can do that with just a few clicks. The system builds everything from the ground up, with captions, narration, visuals, music, and even virtual avatars that lip-sync the narration for you. It's all handled by AI. And what really impressed me is how flexible the platform is. It resizes your content automatically into the perfect dimensions. You can create a video for Instagram stories, then instantly repurpose that for a YouTube short or a standard Instagram post without needing to adjust a single setting. This saves a lot of time and ensures that your videos always look polished. Then there's the automation, a major time saver. Instead of manually posting content, you can schedule everything. Pick the date and time, and ViralReelAI handles the rest. It posts your videos directly to Instagram while you sleep. It's like having a full-time content manager without paying a salary. Want to add a personal touch? You can include overlays like callouts, logos, or animated elements. These features make your videos look high quality, even if you've never edited a video before. It's also incredibly beginner-friendly. The voiceover system deserves a special mention. It uses realistic AI voice models that sound natural and are available in multiple languages. You can choose different accents and tones to suit your brand's personality. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even activate the 11 Labs integration for hyper-realistic voices that mimic human speech patterns with stunning clarity. But what really takes this platform to the next level is the avatar feature. You can select AI-generated avatars that lip-sync with your video's voiceover. It's a powerful way to build visual storytelling without needing to be on camera yourself. For faceless creators, this is pure gold. Whether you want to create one video at a time or batch create an entire content calendar, it's all possible. You can generate multiple posts in one go, automate the process, and be done for the week or even a month. This is perfect if you're balancing content creation with a full-time job or other responsibilities. Another incredible part of the tool is the scripted video automation. You paste in a written script, and the platform transforms it into a polished video with voice, visuals, transitions, and effects. No manual work required. It's ideal for turning blog posts, social captions, or sales scripts into engaging videos. On the analytics side, ViralReelAI includes built-in tools that track how your content performs. You can see what's working, what needs adjusting, and use this feedback to keep improving. These AI-driven insights help you maximize reach and engagement over time, and the dashboard is easy to understand even if you're not a data expert. But the real power of ViralReelAI lies in its audience growth engine, the AI followers generation engine. This system actively helps you grow your page by interacting with the right users, responding to questions, and driving people to your content. It even syndicates your message to platforms like Pinterest and SlideShare, multiplying your exposure. You also get ready-to-use design themes and templates that help you create professional videos with minimal effort. Everything is built for speed. Just pick a style, drop in your message, and hit go. If you want to post stunning carousels, quote posts, or image-based tips, the platform supports that too. All of your videos can be exported in high definition, including 4K. So if you want to use this content on other platforms like YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, you're covered. The quality stays sharp no matter where your audience finds you. And here's something that adds even more value. Early users receive the commercial license upgrade for free. That means right now, you can start offering your services as a video creator or content strategist, using ViralReelAI as the engine behind your agency. You don't need to spend thousands on freelancers or hours learning complicated software. This isn't just a software tool. It's a blueprint for building a faceless brand that can generate real income. Whether you're selling digital products, software, services, or even physical goods, this tool helps you tell your story in a way that builds trust and boosts conversions. Thousands of faceless pages on Instagram are pulling in six figures without showing their identity. They're using tools like this to consistently post, stay visible, and sell offers in the background 24/7. There's nothing holding you back from doing the same. With this level of automation, AI support, and simplicity, it's no longer about who has the biggest team or the most editing experience. It's about who's willing to use smart tools to get ahead. If you're someone who wants to grow a social brand, get more leads, and start generating sales, all while staying behind the curtain, this is your opportunity. You don't need to be a tech genius or a social media influencer. You just need a clear goal and the willingness to try something new. Thanks again for watching the Review Scout. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dive reviews on tools that matter. See you in the next one.